The Durango and Silverton narrow gauge railroad touches the senses in different ways. Some ride because of the spectacular scenery deep within the rugged San Juan Mountains and for the breathtaking views along the Animas River. Others ride because of the steam locomotives that lead passengers on their journey through time, bringing with it its own rhythm and song that resonates off the mountains. The railroad stables three classes of steamers, each originally built for the Denver and Rio Grande Western Railroad, the Durango and Silverton's predecessor. Designated K-28, K-36, and K-37s for their 2-8-2 wheel arrangement and respective pulling power. K-28 473 has never been out of service for more than routine maintenance. 473 is slated to be the next locomotive to be converted to oil. Sister engine 476 underwent a major rebuild in 2017 after sitting in the Durango and Silverton Museum for decades, along with 478 currently in the museum. These three are the last of the K-28s in existence. Built in 1923 for use on the Silverton branch, they are the oldest steam locomotives in use on the D&S today. The railroad also employs 4 K-36 engines, 480, 481, 482, and 486. They were built in 1925 and are all in operation to this day. Because of long-term drought conditions and challenging climate patterns in southwest Colorado, the Durango and Silverton is evolving its operations, in part by diversifying its locomotive power so that it can more safely transport passengers year-round regardless of weather conditions. One of the ways it is doing this is by converting one of its K-27 class locomotives, the 493, from a coal-fired locomotive to an oil-fired one as part of the scheduled rebuild of the engine. Locomotive 493 was originally built in 1902 as a standard gauge locomotive and rebuilt in 1928 to its current narrow gauge configuration. The 493 last ran in regular service over 50 years ago in July 1968. It is one of two K-37s currently owned by the D&S, 498 being the other. They are the largest engines currently owned by the railroad. The 493 was selected in part because of the size and configuration of the firebox. Beginning in April of 2018, the conversion of the locomotive 493 from coal burning to oil burning began. mechanical work to restore and convert this locomotive to oil fire is only one aspect of being able to successfully operate the 493 and the D&S line. Crew training, fueling logistics, and estimating fuel consumption are also key elements in the transition from coal to oil. For this reason, the D&S Railroad had leased a historic oil-burning locomotive, the Southern Pacific 18, from Eastern California Museum in Inyo County, California. In late January of 2020, after almost 2 years of restoration and modification, D&S 493 emerged from the engine house and began test runs up to Rockwood, Colorado. Our video shows 493 on its second revenue run, taking passengers from Durango to Cascade Canyon on February 15, 2020. like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.